Here we go, 1-minute time lapse as we descend toward Bangkok. From the airplane window, you can see the vast green farmlands and rice fields surrounding the city. The scenery slowly changes as we get closer to Suvarnabhumi Airport. Look at those beautiful patterns of agriculture below us. And gradually the airport infrastructure starts to appear, runways, taxiways, and the massive terminal buildings. The plane keeps descending smoothly, altitude dropping, details becoming clearer with every second. And touchdown. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand at Suvarnabhumi Airport. Out of Suvarnabhumi Airport and straight into the car. Look at all those huge planes parked outside. We're speeding down the highway now. Bangkok, here we come. The driver was really nice and told us we could play any music we wanted. So we connected our phone and put on a fun, upbeat Iranian song. Now we're speeding down the Bangkok highway, music loud, singing along with Persian vibes in the middle of Thailand. What a perfect way to start our adventure.
به مناسبت عید چینیا سویس هتل بانکوک این دیزاینو کرده، خیلی هم خوشگله. عیدو میخواد به چینیا تبریک بگه و فکر میکنم که بانکوک همیشه پیشرو بوده توی هر ایونت و جشن و سلبریشنی. هتل سوئیس بانکوک.
Settled in the hotel and straight out for some shopping. Standing on the pedestrian bridge, look at this energy. Cars, motorcycles, people rushing everywhere. Bangkok never stops. The city is alive, loud, and full of pure hustle and bustle. Alright guys, we're now entering the Swiss Hotel Bangkok. Point one of the most famous luxury hotels in the city. Lobby plus Chinese New Year decoration. As soon as we step into the lobby, we're blown away. It's spacious, elegant, and full of light. Right in the middle, they've set up this beautiful large table decorated for Chinese New Year. So many vibrant red symbols, lanterns, flowers, and welcome signs in Chinese. You can really feel how warmly they're welcoming their Chinese guests. Alright, let's take a full walk around the lobby of Swiss Hotel Bangkok. Just look at this stunning architecture. Those tall, massive columns and the incredibly high ceiling give such a grand feeling. Right in the center, the vibrant red Chinese New Year decorations are still stealing the show, but what really blows my mind is the ceiling painting. It's the creation of Adam by Michelangelo, exactly like the Sistine Chapel, but here in the heart of Bangkok. And hanging right below it is this massive, sparkling chandelier lighting up the entire space. The whole atmosphere is so calm and peaceful, with a beautiful subtle fragrance in the air. Everything comes together and turns this lobby into something truly special and luxurious. It's nighttime, and we're looking at Suvarnabhumi Airport, terminal from the car window. This is Bangkok's main international airport, which replaced the old Don Mueang over 560,000 square meters. Suvarnabhumi opened in 2006. It was designed by the famous architect Helmut John from Murphy. John's studio, the construction was carried out by international consortiums. That massive wave-like roof and huge glass structure is one of the icons of modern Thai architecture. The reason it's so clean and high standard is excellent management, smart energy-efficient design with tons of natural light, and a real focus on passenger experience. It's always spotless, well-organized, and full of facilities. Definitely one of the best airports in Asia to start or end. We're now boarding the fully automated, driverless train at Suvarnabhumi Airport. This APM system, opened in 2023, connects the main terminal to the new SAT-1 satellite terminal. The ride is super smooth and quiet. Looking out the windows, you can see the modern tunnel and lighting. It really feels futuristic, one of the most advanced airport transport systems in Thailand. And with that, our Bangkok trip comes to an end. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventures. Goodbye for now. See you on the next trip.
Take care.